Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove filler words in CapCut PC. So filler words such as or okay like that, you can remove it from your video by using the CapCut Pro features on CapCut PC. So what you need to do is just add the video that you want to edit and right click on the video, and there will be an option to remove the filler words. So click on that option and CapCut will start analyzing your videos. Now it will identifying the filler words, identifying pauses, repeats, and it will remove the filler words from your videos. And there will be this pop-ups right here. You can see this is the analyze result from CapCut. So if you want to, you can remove it from your video. For example, this one is repeated according to CapCut, and after that you can just click on delete. So after that, if you are using the CapCut Pro, the filler words will automatically removed. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.